I asked AI to build a responsive contact form. Here's what happened.
How I created this form using AI. I wanted a modern, responsive contact form with smooth animations and clean styling, so I turned to AI for help. Here's how the process went. Step 1. Defining the requirements. I started by listing what I needed. Fully responsive, works on mobile and desktop. Animated elements, floating labels, smooth transitions, clean, minimalist design, no flashy colors, proper form validation, required fields, error handling, success message, confirmation after submission. I fed these requirements into ChatGPT or any AI assistant and asked, generate a responsive contact form with animated labels, a clean design, and proper validation, all in a single HTML file. Step 2, AI's first attempt. The AI gave me a form but it had issues. Too much color, unoptimized gradients, flashy animations, not fully responsive, overflowed on mobile, no proper contrast, hard to read. So I refined my request, make the form minimalist, soft white background, better contrast, and ensure it fits on mobile screens without scrolling. Step 3, the final improved version. The AI adjusted the code and now it had clean white background with subtle shadows, floating labels that animate smoothly, mobile-friendly layout, stacks inputs on small screens, focus states, clear visual feedback, success animation, fade-in confirmation. Here's the best part, I didn't write a single line of code manually. The AI handled HTML structure, CSS styling and animations, JavaScript validation and submission logic. Step 4, testing and tweaking. I pasted the code, VS Code, and tested. Mobile, perfectly responsive, desktop, clean and professional, animations, smooth, not distracting. I made one final tweak, added a custom drop-down arrow by asking, add a custom SVG arrow to the select drop-down. The AI updated the code instantly. Final result, a perfect contact form, looks professional, works on all devices, easy to customize, zero manual coding. Would I do it again? Absolutely. AI saved me hours of trial and error. Instead of wrestling with CSS, I got a fully functional form in minutes. Try it yourself. Copy the code from my previous post and see how AI can streamline your web development. Key takeaways. AI accelerates development, but needs clear instructions. Iterative refinement works best. Start broad, then tweak. Testing is crucial. Always check responsiveness. Would you use AI to build forms? Let me know in the comments. Steps slowly